Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you to this hot glue gun by MAXDONE. It is a mini glue gun by MAXDONE. It's a glue gun kit because it comes with glue sticks, 30 pieces of them. This is a crafting high temperature heat up fast, small, clear and colored sticks. DIY or arts glue gun set pack. It's really cool. This is the 2022 new releases in craft glue guns. It is made of anti-fire materials, resisting high temperature and burning to protect kids' hands. We have a power switch on/off featuring security design, facilitates user-friendly operations, and fast heat up. This is a small, fast heat up glue gun. It can quickly heat up in 3 minutes for various applications. For example, home repair tools, decorating ideas, for teachers in DIY jobs, wood, stone, glass, and balloons. Its smart temperature control offers excellent performance and perfect output. And we have a personalized styles, unique appearance. It's a flexible gun stance meets daily DIY crafts needs. It hold it in one hand or leave it standing on the table as desired. It's suitable for schools and classrooms too. And accurate trigger propulsion and nozzle control. The trigger propulsion of this hot melt mini glue gun accurately controlled the melted glue flow to minimize waste. Its premium insulated nozzle reduces the glue stick deformation after long time use under high temperature. The full hot glue gun set comes with 30 pieces of environmentally friendly strong adhesive glue sticks, 3.9 inches to 0.28 inches. We have clear and we have color sticks included, 20 clear and 10 color sticks. So beautiful. 2022 is coming to an end. We cherish the wonderful time. We lads do DIY crafts with family and friends. We're looking back and MAXDONE has been founded for 3 years ago. Thanks for the support and suggestions, tells us MAXDONE. They have always insisted that the brand can't just focus on advertising input, but they should pay great attention to the product itself. And you can see here, it comes a really good glue gun from this house, a hot glue gun. The mini hot glue gun will absolute our best choice for DIY lovers. We should need that if we love DIY jobs. It comes with our family, do something. How wonderful! If we need to fix something, we can use that too. And we don't worry, we fix it with our hot glue gun. So convenient. We do not pull out the stick after heating. We do not touch the nozzle when the glue gun is working. We do not press the trigger during preheating period in the first approximately 3 minutes. Or it could result in a broken trigger. Delicate trigger propulsion design gives process control of the glue flow. This saves glue sticks for every craft. And thanks to its foldable stand holder, it allows us to operate the gun with maximized convenience and comfort. Simplified one button switch makes us enjoy uninterrupted and efficient process of our tasks. For beginner, we just load the glue stick and wait 3 up to 5 minutes for preheating. We can start awesome DIY projects right now with that really nice glue gun here by MAXDONE. It is a good tool to make smaller and bigger DIY craft jobs at home. With the hot glue gun with the hot glue mini gun by MAXDONE. And in the box there are 30 pieces of high temperature heat up and colored sticks. This is either for quick repairs, DIY projects, arts, for the classroom, 20 watt, and it looks really cool with the colored sticks, I think. You have green, you have yellow, you have orange and purple. And of course, you have transparent. So you can choose what your next DIY job should have at the glue side of life and a glue colored side of life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.